You know, sometimes you just want to make a change. Go from one length of hair to another length of hair. And today, I think I'm going to decide to go from medium length to short hair. Stay tuned. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as Olena Roseanne. And by the looks of this wig cap, I'm about to try a wig. So let's get into it. Today I'm trying my latest buy from ebonyline.com. This is the Outre Wig Pop Synthetic Full Wig. And the name, Melva, the color Ginger Brown. Now this says this is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but you know, I'm just trying this out. I'm not going to be using any heat tools today. The color on the stock card is cream soda, but you know, I decided to go with one of the other colors listed, and again it's ginger brown. I have, it looks like there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 other special colors to choose from. um, Now this also says this is ready to wear and go, so I shouldn't have to do much of anything to it. It's a great way to switch it up. I've been talking about this on Instagram. If you're following me on Instagram, great. If you're not, I'm there as Olena Roseanne as well, so go ahead and do that. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that quite yet. So as you can see, there's the adjustable straps in the back. I'm not going to tighten it. It looks like this is pretty tight here, and there's one comb in the back and two in the front. This does have a sheen to it, but I don't think it's too bad. There's no lace at all included in this because again, this is a full wig cap. Now the back here, I'm not feeling how the highlights are so choppy in the back. It's like they forgot about the back and, you know, did everything, you know, put their all into the front, but the back kind of got tired or something. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this on my head. Now, as I'm putting this on my head, I do notice this is pretty snug, and I have a small head. My size is about 21 inches, so that's a little different for me, but you know, I do like how this hair feels. It's definitely on my head, it's not going anywhere, which is why I'm glad I decided not to use my wig grip. I love, love, love the layers. I kind of wish it was a little bit longer around the temples, and it does lay pretty flat. The back is pretty flush with my neck. I'm pleased with that. Now on the left side, I think it could have had a little bit more hair because I can see the little bit of sideburns I have sticking out. But that's okay. This bang though, this bang. Oh, this is cute. Now I have a little bit of hump action at the top, and I think that's just because of the way, you know, it was stored in the box, and you know, sometimes that can happen during shipping and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and just keep playing around with it, see if I can bring some of those more copper highlights out that I love, which is why I chose this color. This is actually a hairstyle I had back in the day. I didn't have as much hair in the back, but I actually colored my hair this way and everything back in my perm days. So I love a shortcut. So anytime I feel like I want short hair, I'm just gonna throw this wig on. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty. This really is pretty. And as you can see, my makeup and my shirt matches my hair. This is pretty. So let me know, would you try a wig this short? Just something you can literally plop on your head, run your fingers through it, not have to use any heat tools, blow dryer, nothing. Just use your fingers and go. Would you try it? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you have already tried this wig. Let me know in the comments if you ever had a shortcut. Other than that, that is it for me. I'm pretty happy. This is cute. You know, I'm about me to take me some pictures and everything. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe, okay? And I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.